boys. How much E do you put in?
A lot. A lot. I love 4.5. That's gonna give me like 3 gallons, I think.
All right. And then we got to come up to the 91.
I'll even shoot high. Watch. Let's shoot high or higher.
Good enough?
All right, ready? I'm gonna push my car.
Oh gosh.
It is. What's there? Alright, we're good. Alright, let's see how much it puts. Oh, I also make it pump slower because it always stops too early.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I always.
It's that Arco, bro.
No,
you gotta get that Chevron with Techron, bro.
Dude, it happens at every gas station. I always have to pump. The second time, I always have to pump it slower. Yeah.
So what do you hit for target here then? Well, were you on empty?
No.
No? How much did you have left? Like a quarter?
Yeah, like a little over a quarter.
Oh, okay. So
I need it to get to like 3 something. 3 something, it'll probably be okay.
watch it, like just stop now.
It's good now. I think we're good. Yes.
Oh
man.
Oh, right on the dot. All right, let's see if you get the correct amount of content. Oh. Now it's gotta be an even number. No, hey, oh my, come on, man.
All right, should I go up again?
All right, 250.
All right.
Come on. Wait, slow. Oh, just like a little. Oh. Well, good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Yes, we are back with another upload. Like I told you guys, this year I really want to execute and get more content out for you guys. And I know the SI is still down, but we still got Anthony's Type R.
Hello.
That's still working, you know. It's a still fun car. It's built fast, and it'll get my
runs.
SI. Whoa! Why you calling me?
Hey, hardest flex. I win by default. My car runs.
Hey, I mean, he's not wrong. But today we got a pretty exciting vlog. Okay, actually, no, I don't know what's going on actually today.
I don't really know either.
We are gonna be dropping this car actually off to Auto Fashion.
We're also gonna be picking up Brian's new car. It's an Audi R8.
No, definitely not. But we're dropping off Anthony's car real quick at Auto Fashion because he's actually changing out his shifter and putting in, which one is it?
The CAE, the German one.
Okay, so the CAE shifter, and I felt that before in a previous Type R. I forgot what was his tag. I forgot what was his name.
Kazuo?
Oh yeah, was it Kazuo?
Yeah,
I think it was Kazuo's. Yeah. So I'll put his tag right here. But his Type R is pretty clean too, and I tried that out before in his car, and it feels amazing too. I still got to give my love to Cutie, of course. But we're gonna be dropping this off to get that changed. You're gonna keep this exposed when it's all done, right? Mm-hmm. So no boot gang. That's how we do it. You know, you gotta flex the shifter just a little bit. Yes. I saw a comment last video. All right, Phong, you gained some weight. You know, you guys be reminding me.
Brian's doing weight reduction.
So, you know, I've been building the SI, but I haven't been building the inner Phong right here. So I want to get some cardio in. Jeez, bro, your freaking suspension. The last time we were in this Type R, he did not actually have these coils. He's on HKS coil lovers now, and he's pretty much got this on max stiffness.
It's on max, but it is kind of stiff. Like, here, wait. Yeah, I'll do one right. It's a little safer.
Trying to. Oh man, so it's definitely, for sure, feels a lot more grounded. But oh my gosh,
the car's not glued, dude.
Yeah, it's glued all right. But so you guys know, me as a passenger isn't always the best, and especially now with not having the SI, it looks like I'm gonna be a passenger for quite some time. Oh my god!
In the back end, swing out there.
Bro, I just smacked my. Oh my god. Just smacked my freaking right arm against your pillar. Jeez. This is I can't drive this guy anymore. I just can't.
Good boy.
Damn, Kazuo, I mean.
No.
Oh. Wait, no, I'm not adjusting. Oh, wait, where the fuck is first? Dude, this is actually good. I'm fine with that. I can't find first.
It's just something to get used to.
Yeah. Finding first is weird.
Reverse.
That's so tall. The shifter is for sure tall.
It's tall as fuck. Wow. What the fuck's first?
So let's feel this thing. That looks so nice. Oh, jeez, that's really short. Ooh, it's actually a lot shorter than I thought. So it looks like that's 5th, that's 6th, that's 3rd, that's 4th. Nope, that's 2nd, that's 4th. Jeez, that's for sure something to get used to. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Wow, super short.
Dude, I want to drive with it.
And reverse.
Jeez, yeah boy.
So I'll be honest though, it has been some time to actually grab the camera. We actually did have to drop off the Type R to get the shifter installed, and then we just came back to pick it back up. But who also showed up is Mr. Brian's FKA with his beautiful Type R. Actually, it's actually super dirty. This is why I also contemplate on white wheels, just because of how dirty and how easy it can get. But I don't know if you guys remember Brian. He used to have an SI. This is his Type R. I think I've introduced it to the channel, Type R. I know a lot of you are probably saying, man, Phong, why didn't you get a Type R? I love Type Rs and they're really great cars, but nothing can replace the SI. The SI is definitely something a lot more sentimental that I've enjoyed, I feel like, a lot more than I would with a Type R. Get a nice little overview too of the two beautiful Type Rs next to each other.
Dude, that's first gear. Look at that, that thing, it moved. Jesus. It's wild as fuck. Yeah, mine's 2nd. Oh my god, that's 2nd. That's so sick.
That's crazy, it's so tall too.
I know, I like it, it's sick. It's like a race car, dude. Oh my god, that feels sick. Oh my god. Dude. That feels insane. Dude. Oh my god. I feel like this reverse too. Sick. Dude, it looks like a sequential. Wow.
I know, right?
That's what it looks like.
Hey, I mean, that would be sick. Hey, sequential gearbox next.
It's only 10 grand.
Oh!
Sponsored by PhongPack.
No.
Hey guys, I'd like to thank PhongPack. He pays for my car parts now. And you can get free car parts too if you buy PhongPack stickers. He'll buy you a bit block for it if you have an SI.
Whoa, chill.
He's gonna also be running a giveaway for his current motor. Oh no.
Different feeling, huh?
For real, dude, it makes my car feel even more different now.
Alrighty, so we have Anthony's daily. Because off camera, we actually went out and we had this as the CRV here, this CRV to take around while we wait for the Type R to get finished, and now I gotta drive it back. So I'm trying to tell them, hopefully they cruise it. Dang, where's the e-brake on this thing? What the heck? I'll step. So we are taking the CRV here because we actually picked this up to daily around while we wait on the Type R to get the shifter installed. And now I got 2 Type Rs and me and the CRV. So hopefully I can keep up. Oh, they think CRV power! Woo! You guys feel that pull or what? Shoot, they don't think the CRV can hang? I'm about to take them around this corner too. Let's get it. Here we go. Ooh, taking the inside line. Taking the inside line. Going to the outside. Going to the outside. See you later, Brian. Go, go, go! It's so funny because watching these two guys drive right next to each other is like fire and ice. They're like yin and yang.
And it goes a little something like,
I'll keep love you all summer and after I'll keep you all summer and after